Hello everyone, I'm Arnav Mitra and today I would like to share with you my learnings while developing an application. This is in continuation to my earlier video making of a desktop app part 1. To develop BMX I used tkinter, PIL, image tk, tkinter.font, tkinter.messagebox, ctypes for resolution, sys and OS modules in the code. tkinter is Python's default GUI built-in module. The tkinter module played a major role in development of this app. tkinter provides 15 widgets and allows coders to create window pages. One example is provided here. There are 6 types of widgets used in BMX, namely buttons, labels, entry, spinbox, scale, and checkbox. Every page of the app was built on different functions. Those functions were executed when the buttons were clicked. The buttons contained the functions in the command parameter. An example is shown here demonstrating the creation of the flow from one page to another. BMX has a color-changing text. It was created using the after method, since the after method configures the label after the main loop of the window page has been executed. An example has been presented here for better understanding. Resolution of an app is necessary to be of high quality. To improve the resolution of tkinter GUI, a module called ctypes is used. This following piece of code must be added to improve the resolution. After completing the code, the .py file was converted to an exe file using the auto-py to exe. Auto-py to exe is a type of software which uses Chrome's app module and PyInstaller module of Python. To add an icon to the program, an image was created with an image formatting. The file was converted to an ICO file format from a converting website. In the code, the following 2 additions were made. This code creates a temporary storage place for the additional ICO file. The icon and the additional files options in auto-py to exe were used to embed the ICO file to the resulting exe file. Thus, the app is independent of any coding platform. In the next video, I will provide further information on the development of BMX. I will cover coding details and GitHub upload process. I hope you understood the creation of an app and enjoyed it. I have provided the links in the description box. Thank you.